Rico DeLello spent the last of his working years as a financial advisor, mostly selling mutual funds that didn't pay off all that well for his clients.
The first thing you do is get your family and friends, and you don't want your family and friends losing money, right? And so when you start doing that, you have a conscience, and I just said, you know what, I can't do this.
DeLello quit. Now retired and without a pension, he invests much of his money in low-cost index and exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs. Mutual fund managers are paid big bucks to pick winning stocks and drop losers to get the best return possible. Fees for ETFs are for the most part much cheaper. So how do they work? Instead of a manager who picks certain stocks, ETFs mirror or copy groups of stocks, often an entire index like the TSX or S&P 500. Even in the macho alpha investing world, hands-off strategies are winning over some of the world's best-known investors.
Because the professionals don't know how to, after fees, they don't know how to get a better result.
Just this weekend, Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, in his latest shareholder letter said that monkeys would be just as likely to successfully predict market performance as most market pros. At the Vancouver-based online investment firm WealthBar, its algorithm chooses the right portfolio for clients based on how much risk the client wants to take. And along with being driven by technology, it embraces low-cost ETFs.
For the most part, this has been kind of a great democratization of funds.
But the company still sees a need for human help for big-picture financial planning.
It's sort of like having a coach or a personal trainer.
For DeLello, taking a less active investing approach using ETFs and index funds means he doesn't think about his portfolio minute by minute.
I can come here and golf and not worry what the market's doing today.
And while more and more money moves into ETFs, it still makes up a relatively small slice of Canadians' total investments. But that's changing as a new generation of investors puts more value on low fees and stability than trying to outperform an unpredictable market. Jacqueline Hansen, CBC News, Toronto.